Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get access with Shopify so that you can able to use Shopify for free for 30 days guys. Okay, so as you can see that you can use Shopify for only for 1 month guys. That's gonna be costing you only for $1 guys. Okay, remember if you wanna get access with this free trial, click the link down below in the description of this secure video to get access with Shopify guys. Okay, so as you can see that Shopify, they don't only offer they usually offer this 90 days free trial that usually be 3 months, but now they cancel that. Okay, I don't know why, but this is some of the changes that Shopify has made recently guys. Okay, you can only get access with Shopify only for $1. You can only enjoy your first 1 month guys, okay, using Shopify guys. Okay, what you can do here guys with Shopify, you can also create your store guys. Okay, using Shopify. You can also, there are so many things guys, okay, that you can do with Shopify, that you can do with Shopify, but I'm not gonna show you all of the things that you can do with Shopify. As you can see that I have an access, I have an account with Shopify. I'm not just making a review, I am making an honest review guys, okay, about this 30-day free trial guys. It is worth it. As you can see that I am using this free trial as well guys, so I can say to you that you can take an advantage of this 30 days free trial, because we will never know that Shopify may also cancel this 1 month free trial. Maybe they may use 7 days free trial or 40 days free trial. I don't know guys. Okay, so it is very important that guys you take an advantage of this 30 days free trial that Shopify offers, because you already know that Shopify, they cancel that 3 months free trial guys. So but we don't know, maybe next month or next month, we don't know whether Shopify may also cancel this 30-day free trial guys. So take an advantage. Click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get started using Shopify guys. Okay, so now let me show you some of the pricings, some of the plans that you can choose using Shopify guys. Okay, so as you can see that there are 3 packages. There's a basic package, and also there's a Shopify package, and also there's an advanced package. So my recommendation to you is that if you're starting out, okay, just use the basic plan guys. Okay, just use this one, the basic plan. That's gonna be costing you $25 per month if you wanna pay on a monthly basis, which is I recommend. Okay, but if you wanna pay on a yearly on a yearly basis, okay, let's say that you have a budget, that's gonna be that you can save up to 25% off. That's gonna be $19. Okay, so my recommendation guys, go to the basic plan if you're starting out guys using Shopify. Okay, but if let's say that you have an agency, you have a team, you can use this Shopify plan, this one, that's gonna be costing you $49 on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis guys. Okay, as you can see that for an advanced, these are the businesses that they want to scale their Shopify businesses. You can use this advanced plan guys. Okay, this is how you can choose your plan with Shopify guys. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna back to you as soon as possible guys. Okay, also don't forget to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get access using Shopify. Take care and God bless you. Shop guys.